So this is the reality of the lawn tractors at Home Depot. We got the Cub Cadets, one with the stupid IntelliPower thing. This one's got the stupid Chinese Cub Cadet engine in it. It's got a 42-inch cut. This one's got an actual, I think, Kohler engine. Yep, 22 horsepower Kohler. This one has a 46-inch. Got another 42-inch IntelliPower. That doesn't even show a deck engagement right here. We got some Murray zero turns. 19 horsepower. Briggs & Stratton engine. Oh, we got the Murray lawn tractors here. 19 horsepower. I actually like these. I really do like these though. So it's hydrostatic, but it's got a gear shift for forward and reverse. That's weird. Oh, we got some John Deere's here, 42 up to 48 and maybe 54 at the end. One of these had a 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. I don't know where it is though. This one right here, 13.5 horsepower. That is severely underpowered. That's a little less than my pool on. Oh, this one's a full-on gear shift model. Wow. Pathetic. Parking brake, some sort of phone holder, deck engagement. I guess it would be only fair if we look at the Cub Cadet zero turns as well. What engines do these have? 22 horsepower brakes. I can get over here. We got a 42-inch Ultima Cub Cadet zero turn. These are both 42-inch. Oh, this one's got a Kawasaki engine. 21 horsepower seems a little bit overpowered, but you do you, I guess. That's the deck height adjust? That's really cool, actually. Oh, it's actually got a separate throttle and choke. Very cool. Alright, it's like 91 degrees out here. I shall probably be get going. Alright, I hope you guys for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next one.